Ever gotten that pile of credit card offers and wondered, wait, who even owns these companies? Let's face it, the financial industry can be a labyrinth of confusing names and hidden connections. Today, we're tackling a question that might have popped into your head while sorting through your mail. Is Capital One owned by Wells Fargo? The answer might surprise you. It's a clear no. Capital One is not a subsidiary of Wells Fargo. But that doesn't mean there isn't a bit of interesting history linking the two. Buckle up, finance fans, because we're about to untangle this web. From humble beginnings to tech-savvy giant, the rise of Capital One. Capital One's story starts in the late 1980s with two bright minds, Richard Fairbank and Nigel Morris. They saw a gap in the credit card market, a one-size-fits-all approach that didn't cater to individual needs. Their idea? Using data and analytics to create customized credit card offers for different customer segments. Imagine this. Instead of a generic interest rate for everyone, Capital One would use your credit history and financial profile to tailor an offer that fit you perfectly. This innovative approach caught the eye of Signet Bank, a Virginia-based institution. Fun fact, Signet is now part of Wells Fargo. In 1988, Signet launched a credit card division called Signet Financial, built on the revolutionary ideas of Fairbank and Morris. This partnership marked the official birth of what we now know as Capital One. Fast forward to 1994, Capital One became an independent financial institution, spreading its wings and soaring into the world of credit cards and beyond. The Wells Fargo connection, shared past, different paths. So, while Signet, now part of Wells Fargo, played a role in Capital One's early days, it's important to remember that was just the beginning. Capital One carved its own path, becoming a publicly traded company with a reputation for being tech-savvy and customer-focused. Today, Capital One boasts a wide range of financial products, from credit cards and savings accounts to auto loans and online banking services. They're known for their user-friendly mobile app and innovative approach to financial technology. Wells Fargo, a banking behemoth with a storied past. Meanwhile, Wells Fargo has a much longer and more traditional history. Founded in 1852, it's one of the largest banks in the world, offering a comprehensive suite of financial services for individuals and businesses alike. From brick-and-mortar branches to online banking, Wells Fargo caters to a broad customer base. Competition breeds innovation. Capital One versus Wells Fargo. While not owned by each other, Capital One and Wells Fargo are definitely competitors in the financial arena. This competition can be a good thing for us, the consumers. It pushes both companies to innovate, offering us better deals and more convenient services. The bottom line, Capital One is an independent financial powerhouse. So, to answer our initial question definitively, Capital One is not owned by Wells Fargo. They are two separate financial institutions, each with a unique history and approach to the market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.